longer news that renowned fraudster Ramon Igbalode Abbas, aka Hushpuppi, is facing trial in the United States of America, for which he may be sentenced to about 20 years in prison. Hushpuppi was moved from his base in the United Arab Emirates, where he was arrested by the Dubai police, to the USA, and was on Friday, July 3rd, 2020, dragged before a Chicago court. The charges against Hushpuppi were appended to by a special agent of the FBI, Andrew John Innocenti. In the 26-page document, Innocenti said in the introduction, "I am a special agent with the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, and have been so employed since approximately March 2015. I am currently assigned to the Los Angeles Field Office High-Tech Organized Crime Squad, where I primarily investigate cyber-enabled fraud and business email compromise (BEC) schemes. Between approximately August 2015 and December 2018, I was assigned to a cybercrime squad in the Chicago field office, where I investigated cyber-related crimes, including BEC cases. During my career as an FBI special agent, I have participated in numerous computer crime investigations. In addition, I have received both formal and informal training from the FBI and other institutions regarding computer-related investigations, computer technology, and white-collar fraud. This affidavit is made in support of a criminal complaint against an arrest warrant for Ramon Olorunwa Abbas, also known as aka Ray Hushpuppi, aka Hush Abbas, for violation of 18 U.S.C. Section 1956H, conspiracy to engage in money laundering. The facts set forth in this affidavit are based upon my personal involvement in this investigation, my review of reports and other documents related to this investigation, my training and experience, and information obtained from other agents, law enforcement officers, and witnesses. This affidavit is intended to show merely that there is sufficient probable cause for the requested complaint and arrest warrant, and does not purport to set forth all of my knowledge of the government's investigation into this matter. Unless specifically indicated otherwise, all conversations and statements described in this affidavit are related in substance and in part only. Unless specifically indicated otherwise, all dates set forth below are on or about the dates indicated, and all amounts or sums are approximate. In the summary of probable cause, Innocenti said, Ramon Olorunwa Abbas is a Nigerian national living in the United Arab Emirates, that is the UAE, whose social media accounts frequently show him in designer clothes, wearing expensive watches, and posing in or with luxury cars and charter jets. The FBI's investigation has revealed that Abbas finances this opulent lifestyle through crime, and that he is one of the leaders of a transnational network that facilitates computer intrusions, fraudulent schemes including BEC schemes, and money laundering, targeting victims around the world in schemes designed to steal hundreds of millions of dollars. Abbas participated in these fraudulent schemes and money laundering in coordination with multiple co-conspirators, including the persons referred to herein as Co-Conspirator 1 and Co-Conspirator 2. This affidavit discusses several fraudulent schemes involving Abbas. First, messages found on the iPhone of Co-Conspirator 1, reviewed pursuant to a federal search warrant issued in this district, reflects that Abbas, Co-Conspirator 1 and Co-Conspirator 2, with others, committed a BEC scheme that defrauded a victim in the United States of approximately $922,857.76, including one BEC fraud schemes often involve a computer hacker gaining unauthorized access to a business email account blocking or redirecting communications to and/or from that email account, and then using the compromised email account or a separate fraudulent email account, sometimes called a spoofed email account, to communicate with personnel from a victim company and to attempt to trick them into making an unauthorized wire transfer. The fraudster will direct the unsuspecting personnel to the victim company to wire funds to the bank account of a third party, sometimes referred to as a money mole, which is often a bank account owned, controlled, and/or used by individuals involved in the scheme based in the United States. The money may then be laundered by wiring or transferring it through numerous bank accounts to launder the money, or by quickly withdrawing it as cash, by check or by cashier's check. Second, Abbas and co-conspirator 1 conspired to launder funds intended to be stolen through fraudulent wire transfers from a foreign financial institution known as the Foreign Financial Institution, in which fraudulent wire transfers totaling approximately 13 million euros, which is approximately 14.7 million US dollars, were sent to bank accounts around the world in February 2019. Conspirator 1 conspired with the persons who initiated the fraudulent wire transfers and also conspired with a number of others, including Abbas, to launder the funds that were intended to be stolen. Abbas specifically provided co-conspirator 1 with 2 bank accounts in Europe that Abbas anticipated would each receive 5 million euros of the fraudulently obtained funds. Other communications between Abbas and co-conspirator 1 indicate that in addition to these schemes, Abbas and co-conspirator 1 conspired to launder tens and at times hundreds of millions of dollars that were proceeds of other fraudulent schemes and computer intrusions, including a fraudulent scheme to steal an English Premier League football club. US prosecutors say they have a watertight case from which Hushpuppi cannot escape. Has the flamboyant king of internet scam finally come to the end of the road? Well, let's wait and see. From Lagos, this is Tina Timothy, News Express Nigeria Television.